Well, I saw your email on the discussion board. You had a vector that was 90 pounds, that's north 74 degrees east, and then you had another one that's 110 pounds, south 60 degrees east. Well, you got to break it down into its components here. This don't give you the horizontal and the vertical component. I guess I called this one V and this one W. Okay, and so the magnitude of V, that's the 90 pounds. You're giving it 74 degrees north, 74 degrees east. So that'd be referring to this angle. We need this angle here that's in red. It's 16 degrees. It's 90 minus the 74. So the magnitude goes here. The 16 degrees, goes in for theta. And then, 90 cosine of theta is going to give you the horizontal component, which comes out to about 86 and a half. And we attach I to that, that would be this horizontal component here. Then the vertical component's 90 sine of 16 degrees. It come out to about 24.8. And here would be the location of the vertical component. Then we repeat that for the other vector. I called it W. Its magnitude is 110 degrees. It's south 60 degrees east. So this angle 60 degrees. We need the reference angle, which is 90 minus that 30 degrees. So 110 times cosine of 30 is about 95.26. That would be again the horizontal component of this vector. And then it is going to be minus because we're in quadrant 4 here. Your sine's minus. Be sine of 110 times sine of 30 degrees, which is minus 55. So it just says it's going down here. Well, we want the resultant vector, and so you just add these two vectors to get the resultant vector. And so, the sum of these two vectors here, which give the resultant vector 181.7 repeating I minus 30.193 J. And then the magnitude of this resultant vector, you apply Pythagorean theorem, the square root of this side squared plus that other side squared comes out to looks like 184.27 pounds is the magnitude of the resultant. That's answer to one of the questions. And you want to find the angle of the resultant vector. So the theta is inverse tan, and it's y component over x component. So it'd be minus 30.193 over 181.7 repeating. So that's negative 9.4. So that'd be this, draw a picture here. So the resultant vector here, draw a picture R. The angle's minus 9.4. They went in bearings, so we got to give this angle here. So it'd be 90 minus 9.4, which is 80.6. And so it's southeast. South 80.6 east. Hope this helps.